Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M1213 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M1213 support. Best result should come back with HP LaserJet Pro M1213 NF multifunction printer. Open that up, and now you want to scroll down underneath driver product installation software and select HP LaserJet full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And give that a moment. And if you receive a user account control prompt, HP setup, should be a Hewlett-Packard Company publisher. Select yes, and then pursue with the on-screen wizard of getting your printer configured. Select the HP LaserJet Pro, the M1213 option in here, and select next. And then you can select whether you want to connect via a network or wired USB connection, and then you would select next, and then just follow along with the on-screen directions, and then that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.